Rafi Kastiatrijal. I am a student from Ahmad Dahlan University. My student number is 20,000 to 6160 from intermediate speaking class from class G. And this morning I wanna bring speech about adulthood versus childhood. As we know, childhood and adulthood are very important phases in our life. Both phases, from a toddler to a fully mature person, there are sundry scenarios that we have to face. Both phases are completely different from one another in terms of innocences, responsibilities, and freedoms. But we have to prepare of some important paragraphs in childhood versus adulthood. As we know, childhood is the phase when we grow up as a kids, and adulthood is completely different from childhood. It's the period when we grow up as an adult. Both phases are completely different, but both are also crucial. They play different but important role in our upbringing, and both phases are interrelated with one another. As we know, sometimes we thought that childhood is the most important part in our life, but yeah, sometimes I'm agree, but now I don't. Both phases are important. There are few differences between childhood and adulthood, and all matters. Childhood, there's a past when there's no pressure of work and responsibilities. In adulthood, it's completely different from childhood. I can say it's the opposite. Adulthood is the first. When we have to understand our responsibilities and our attachment with other people, and can I say childhood is considered as the innocence phase in our life, and adulthood is a period when we have to process of sensing things around us, the next step in our life, mature person, and then we think old, and then we die. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you.